Hi, my name is Megan from LJ's Kitchens, and we're here to talk about proper seating in your kitchen. By picking the correct counter height that you would like for your seating, it can help with comfortability, aesthetics. Also, it makes people gather in the kitchen, and that's been a really big thing in design recently. When we talk to a customer, we really want to get a feel for what height is comfortable for them. It depends on the concealability, the functionality, a bunch of different things on how people choose what height they want. A lot of times it could be kids, it could be elderly. It really just depends on what's going to be comfortable for you. Tabletop height is very comfortable for most people because it is grounded, both feet are on the floor. There is a back to a chair if you'd like it to have one. It's good for your posture, as well as I think the height is just very comfortable to most people. Bar seating is really nice if you want some concealability in your kitchen. Also, it's really good for entertaining purposes. You can stand up by it and use it. But if you do want to have breakfast at it or anything like that, it can be really good for those purposes too. Countertop height is really good for seating as well. A lot of times people will use it if they want to entertain and have people be able to sit right at the workspace with them. And it's really helpful for cooking, entertaining, and everything else. The seating is pretty comfortable. A lot of times people will prefer this height over the bar height. It is a little higher, but not too high that you have to jump up into a stool. When thinking about kitchen seating, it's all about comfortability and what works best for your family. If you are considering adding seating to your kitchen, please go ahead and call LJ's Kitchens and we'd be happy to help.